Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 1 on CR 19. It says to solve for x, excuse me, it says 6 over x is equal to 9 over 16. All right, I don't like the x down here in the denominator. So let me talk to you about when we're dividing by x, how to get that x out of the denominator. We want to undo that division. So I'll need to multiply this side by x. If I multiply the left-hand side of my equal sign by x, I multiply the right-hand side by x. And the beauty of this, what's x over x, or x divided by x? X divided by x is a fancy form of 1. So now on this side, we just have a 6 equals, on this side, 9/16 times x is just 9/16 x. Like, okay, now I have the variable out of the denominator. I can easily, or fairly efficiently solve this equation. I just look up the side with the x. I say, what's the operation between the 9/16 and the x? That operation is multiplication. How do I undo multiplication? I undo multiplication with division. If 9/16 is being multiplied by x, I need to undo that multiplication using division. If I'm going to divide the right-hand side of my equal sign by 9/16, I must divide the left-hand side of my equal sign by 9/16. 9/16 over 9/16, fancy form of 1. I have x equals, and now here's my scrap work off to the side. I have to do 6. This fraction bar means divided by 6 divided by 9/16. You can keep, change, flip. Keep your 6, change your division to multiplication, flip over that 9/16 to become 16 over 9. 6 is the same as 6 over 1. I can simplify a little bit here. 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 9 3 times. Then I'm going to multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 2 times 16 is 32. 1 times 3 is 3. So x would be equal to 32/3. But I look here, I go, none of these answers are 32/3. Okay, so that means I have to simplify this further. I have to bottom out. I have to take 32 divided by 3. So now I have to take 32 and divide that by 3. 3 goes into 3 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract off, drag down the 2. 3 is going to go into 2 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract off. We have a remainder of 2. That means our answer is 10 and 2/3. 32/3 is the same as 10 whole circles and 2/3 of another circle. So that is how you solve for x. I hope that helps.